It's a jungle out there. Be ready for Tales and Tales Summer Reading Program 2021.
This year, our summer reading program starts June 7th. We read because it keeps our minds engaged and helps students be prepared for the next school year. In our program, you can read anything you'd like, any type of book or magazine, and listening to audiobooks counts too. We've planned all sorts of online programs, so join us for fun performances, animal experiences, and author talks. Some of our library locations will be hosting outdoor events, so be sure to stop by your local library. For the first time ever, this summer we're going to have themed craft kits for all ages available at curbside pickup.